Imagine this, transforming your financial reality from being broke to becoming a millionaire. It may sound like a distant dream, I know, but in this groundbreaking video, I reveal 3 proven ways to achieve this seemingly impossible feat, even if you currently find yourself in a financially challenging situation. So get ready to discover the secrets, strategies and success stories that will inspire you to rewrite your financial future and unlock the path to extraordinary wealth. If you're new on this channel, my name is Max Cecco, and I help aspiring entrepreneurs create a profitable online business, selling their expertise or someone else's knowledge. Before sharing these 3 different paths, I urge you to pay close attention to these 2 aspects. And please, don't skip this part, because it is crucial for you to understand what's coming. Aspect number 1. The following 3 opportunities to make $1 million from scratch involve digital marketing skills you will discover later in this video. Indeed, I always said that you don't have income problems, but skills problems. We live in the skill economy. You are paid based on the value you provide. If you want to be irreplaceable in this new economy, you have to solve more problems, add more value, and consequently, you will deserve more money. Aspect number 2. The following 3 opportunities represent 3 different vehicles to achieve your millionaire status. 3 vehicles with different risks involved and 3 various wealth speeds. Let's start with the first opportunity. Opportunity number 1. Becoming a high-paid remote freelancer and earning between $5,000 and $20,000 monthly. This is the perfect opportunity if you start from scratch and you are broke. But let me picture the right scenario to level up your awareness. Today, there are many small business owners, professionals and experts in desperate need of someone capable and trustworthy to manage their marketing in order to sell their products and services online. They need marketing experts to execute the right marketing strategy to scale their businesses. And this is where you come into place. With only 4 clients, you can be easily paid between $3,000 and $5,000 per month to manage their marketing and work remotely from any part of the world. This is not rocket science, but a real and profitable opportunity that allows you to make your first $1 million in just 5 years or even less. Honestly, this is the slow lane to make $1 million, but keep in mind that it involves 0 risks from your side. Forget about the skills needed for a moment, because I'll talk about them in the next few minutes. And I will even tell you where you can learn these millionaire skills for free. For now, let's switch to the second opportunity. Opportunity number 2. Start your info-based business selling your expertise. You can start your own info-based online business, monetize your knowledge and experience, and make money selling your expertise. And do not worry if you think you do not have any valuable knowledge to share, because part of my abilities is to help you recognize your hidden potential, even if you are unaware of it. In this scenario, your income is only limited by your awareness, perspective and imagination. And honestly, I started this career in 2008, years ago in the Italian market. And you know what? I thought I didn't have any expertise, any knowledge to share with someone. But my first Italian mentor, Italo Cillo, helped me discover that one of my abilities was to teach people how to use 3 specific softwares I was passionate about. This is why I created 3 online video tutorials. Number 1, WordPress Video Express, in which I taught how to create a website using WordPress, the most used software to create blogs and websites. Today, I'm still using the same software for my website, maxcecco.com, and even to create all the pages to sell and host my programs. Number 2, Camtasia Video Express, in which I taught how to create video tutorials with Camtasia screen recording software. The good news is that I'm still using this software to create tutorials and video slide presentations. Number 3, a member Video Express, in which I taught how to create private areas to host online courses. And guess what? I'm still using this software as well. With the right knowledge, skills and strategies, this second option allows you to make your first million in 12 months. But there is another opportunity completely undervalued by many online entrepreneurs. Opportunity number 3, establish business partnerships. You can and you should establish business partnerships with professionals or business owners and be paid a considerable percentage based on the results you bring to the table, without investing money from your side. The best part of this third opportunity is that you don't need any expertise, but marketing skills and strategies, because your partner has specific knowledge about the topic. I have done many partnerships in my 15-year marketing career, and I'll show you proof in this video. I partnered with doctors, physiotherapists, musicians, interior designers, psychologists, and other amazing experts. This third opportunity is free of money risks from your side. I mean, you don't have to invest a dime in this deal, and it has a huge potential to make your first million in even less than 12 months. It all depends on who you partner with and their starting point. Now, the question is, how does it work? To answer properly, I want to share with you the first business partnership I made 14 years ago with my drum teacher, Cristian Colusso. Cristian is today well known in the Italian market as the specialist of drum teaching. He is my mentor when it comes to play drums. And yes, I play drums, and let me prove it. I helped Cristian create his online presence from scratch. We created 4 online video courses to help aspiring drummers play drums. Cristian also offers his students online services and live streaming lessons, not only in Italy. In other words, we joined our skills and experiences and split profits. Very easy to understand. Now, the opportunities I have just described lean on these 2 pillars. Pillar number 1, high-paid digital marketing skills. Pillar number 2, marketing strategy. Let me help you understand more about these 2 pillars. Pillar number 1, high-paid digital marketing skills. When it comes to selling online courses and services, different skills are involved. But to succeed, you don't have to learn every skill, but the most important ones that guarantee you a great ROI, return on investment. These are the top 5 high-paid digital marketing skills you must master to make your first million, even if you start from scratch. Skill number 1, communication. How to communicate through a video, or one-to-one in front of another person, or one-to-many if you have an audience in front of you. Skill number 2, copywriting. How to sell with the written words. Copy is everywhere, and it is the skill you must master if you want to sell anything online. Skill number 3, sales funnel. In simple words, a sales funnel allows you to convert a stranger into a potential client and a prospect into a paid client. It involves your copywriting ability and some tech stuff, such as sales pages, checkout pages, and pages where you deliver the content. Skill number 4, how to package online courses and services. In a nutshell, how to create sexy products people want to buy. Skill number 5, how to establish profitable partnerships. Now let's switch to the second pillar. Pillar number 2, marketing strategy. Without a marketing strategy, skills alone are worth 0. A strategy allows you to put together the skills in order to create a profitable business and sell whatever the fuck you want. Strategy is knowing what to do. Tech stuff allow you to execute a strategy. And the best part is that you don't need to be a nerd or a computer tech expert, because with the tools available today, even a child with basic knowledge can handle the tech stuff. With that being said, to master the right skills and strategies to sell online, you have 2 options. The first one is totally free, but it costs your precious time. For example, you can follow me on YouTube. I have published tons of videos to help you get the necessary knowledge. The cons are that you are alone, without any support, and the process of implementing all the skills and strategies to get significant results could be challenging and overwhelming. Instead, if you want to speed up your results, increase your likelihood of achievement, and make your first million with certainty in less time and without stress, you can apply to my special Freedom Business Blueprint program. In this special program, I teach you not only the skills and strategies you need to successfully sell online courses and services, but I give you my full support to speed up your results. To join this program, you have to fill out an application. Indeed, I want to be sure this program is a good fit for your needs. So, click on the link in the description below, answer almost 20 questions, and then you can directly book a call with someone from my team. See you soon!